Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to launch your own Solana meme token, attract buyers, and then withdraw the liquidity straight back into your wallet. And the wild part is, this whole process can be completed in about 10 to 15 minutes from start to finish. Before we jump in, I am also running a giveaway. I will be sending 5 Solana to 10 different people. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, drop your Solana wallet in the comments, and share this video with 5 friends. Very simple. All the details are in the pinned comment. Let's begin. First, I'm opening Photon. I want to quickly show you something. I'm filtering by pump.fund tokens, and take a look. New tokens are being launched every few seconds. It's crazy. If you launch here, within half a minute, your token gets buried instantly, completely saturated. Now, I'm switching over to Radium tokens. See the difference? Way fewer tokens being launched, much slower pace, and that's exactly what we want. Less competition, more visibility, and more attention on our token. This is the ideal setup. Before we launch anything, we need a strong meme idea. Something catchy, fun, maybe even a little absurd. I usually go to Deck Screener for ideas. I start with the trending section to see which tokens have strong volume and market cap. You can also check top tokens, but doing this manually every time gets tiring. Scrolling through endless projects, coming up with names, making logos, it just takes too long. So instead, I go straight to Shiba.tools. This is where I create my tokens. The best part is, they have an AI tool that generates everything for you. Once I'm on the site, I click Start Building, then press Ask AI. This one looks good, nice name and clean branding. I'll go with this. Next, I enable liquidity. Make sure this option is turned on because it allows trading and sets up the initial pool to bring in buyers. I'm adding 6 SOL into the liquidity pool, so I enter that amount here. The more you add, the more trust it builds, and it helps performance at launch. Now, I turn on the market maker bot. This part is very important, and I set the bot volume to 1 SOL. Don't worry, you can withdraw this later just like the liquidity. Also, make sure you copy my settings exactly to get similar results. What this bot does is simulate activity by placing random buy and sell orders across multiple wallets, so the chart looks active and growing. When people see movement, they're much more likely to buy in. Now, I click Next, then Create Token, and it asks me to confirm the transaction. Transaction confirmed. I copy the transaction hash and paste it back into the platform. After a short wait, the token is live. Let's open the portfolio page, and there it is. And look at that, we're already getting buyers. Now click on Trading Terminal icon to view your coin. I use Photon. Let it load properly, and you can clearly see the volume coming in. Lots of transactions happening. Things are looking absolutely insane. The chart is pumping. I cannot even talk right now. This is insane. These are all retail traders. And if you get lucky, someone could call out your coin in some big trading group, and that could make your coin go pump. People are entering just from the chart and branding. This is where it gets interesting. So I'd let it run for around 5 to 10 minutes and watch the liquidity grow. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, and the pool is now around 33 Solana. Not bad for something we just created. Time to cash out. I click Withdraw Liquidity, enter my wallet address, and withdraw. Done. Liquidity has been removed from the pool. Let's check my wallet. And there it is. 33 Solana sitting right there. That's roughly around $2.5 thousand in under 20 minutes. And that's the full process. We launched a token, let it run, and walked away with around $2.5 thousand. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the giveaway if you haven't yet. Details are in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.